So friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel, and this video we have a look of Steeler XLM. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, the live price change occurs in the Steeler XLM, and what is the high price and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Steeler XLM. In this video I'm going to show you with the live proofs. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel. For more this kind of video, click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, brothers. As you can see here, now let's see the price prediction of Steeler XLM. After the price prediction, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Steeler XLM. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Steeler XLM. So that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour. Last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now. So first of all, we have a look of Steeler XLM price chart. As you can see, if the price chart tell us that they continuously goes upward, it's time to go a moon shot of Steeler XLM are coming soon. So friends, enjoy it. First of all, congratulations to all Steeler XLM holders. As you can see here, the change is in positive 1.05% shares occur in the Steeler XLM and the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Steeler XLM is absolutely good. Positive $0.427 is the high price of Steeler XLM and the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the previous 2 hour? After that we decide it's time to buy, sell or hold. Friends, as you can see here, the changes of the Steeler XLM is absolutely good today. It is the start of new month, that is a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, but Steeler XLM still good. As you can see here now, currently at this time they also take a jump in the previous hour, but in the middle of the last 2 hours they take a small fall. As you can see, after that again they continues hush travel. So friends, the whole cryptocurrencies, the whole Steeler XLM price prediction, price change is absolutely good. Positive 2.47% for 1% change occur in Steeler XLM in the previous 2 hours. And the high price of Steeler XLM is about $0.427 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous last 2 hours, friends. So friends, according to the price prediction of Steeler XLM last 1 hour, 2 hour, it is clear that Steeler XLM goes upward. As you can see here, graph goes upward, continuously goes upward. So it's time to explore, goes to the moonshot. So friends, enjoy it and hold your Steeler XLM with the end of this month. This month is very lucky for you. This month Steeler XLM make you will a millionaire. So wait for it. And friends, my suggestion for all of XLM holders, please hold your XLM with the end of this month. What's your opinion about Steeler XLM? Please share in the comment box. And friends, one talk is very important for you. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.